Hi friends! I wish you a good morning, good afternoon, or good night wherever you are in this world. My name is Emily for those of you who are new here, and a warm welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a space where I share a little bit of my heart with you all, as well as accessing my creative side by making videos. I hope that whatever you are looking for when clicking on my video you find, whether that be motivation, entertainment, or maybe even connection. With all the fear and isolation currently going on in the world, I think it's vital to do whatever we can to still feel in community with each other. So please introduce yourself in the comments if you so wish, and I would love to have a chat with you. Today's video is another catch-up day Wednesday. I'm going to be catching up on my to-do list to try and keep my life as organized as possible. I feel like things all of a sudden pile up and then I need to spend a full day catching up to get through the rest of the week. I've been posting this type of video every single week, so be sure to check back in next week if you enjoy this type of content. That's going to be all from me for now, so welcome once again and please enjoy the rest of the video. Okay, friends, as we are coming to a close, I want to thank you so much for watching. I know that there are millions, if not billions, of other videos you could be watching on YouTube, as well as thousands of other things you could be doing besides watching YouTube. So it means the world to me that you are choosing to hang out with me instead. If you enjoyed any part of this video or found it helpful, would you please give it a thumbs up, and be sure to check back in next week for another catch-up day, Wednesday. Don't forget to introduce yourself down in the comments. Let's all stay as connected as possible with those around us, even with all the craziness going on in the world. Take care. Until next time, bye.